Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. God bless you. Today I made Zobo wine. In making Zobo wine, you will just salt the Zobo leaves to ensure that the particles are out, those debris. Then you wash it and boil it. After boiling, you will filter it into a bowl. The process is always very simple, and I have already done it before I decided to record this video. So maybe in my next video I'll show you from the beginning. So this is already filtered Zobo drink. I'm making Zobo wine. In this one there's no ginger, there is no clove, it's only Zobo leaves and flavors. This flavor I'm using is the Joccy Pineapple flavor. One sachet is for 2 liters. What I have in the bowl is 10 liters of Zobo. So I'm using 5 sachets. No sugar, purely flavor and Zobo juice. Now when you make it this way, it is called Zobo wine. Always very tasty and refreshing, especially when you refrigerate the drink. You can make this Zobo for your family. You can make it like Christmas season is coming. Keep it in your freezer and use it to entertain your visitors. Many people prefer these Zobo drinks to those carbonated drinks. So you can really do it and keep it in your freezer for your every visitor. You can give them as takeaway, during your events like weddings, naming ceremonies, and even burial. Can give them out as takeaway. People like it. Everybody wants to go natural. People now understand the impact of all those chemicals that we take into our system. So after mixing it with the flavor, I want to pour into each bottle and then ready to refrigerate. You can use a funnel. If you don't have this kind of bowl that has a kind of funnel mouth, you can use funnel to do it. So what I did was fill in all the bottles, cork them very well, and then ready to go into the freezer. So you can use funnel, like I said, to fill the bottles, but you can fill it one after the other. Cork it very well and then put it in your freezer. Depending for how long it will get cold or you want it to get blocked. Then the Zobo drink is ready. Imagine doing this, bringing them out for your visitors during this Xmas season. They will take it and they will thank you because it's natural, 100% natural. Zobo is very, very nice. There are so many ailments now that people use Zobo to treat. Thank you for watching, guys. God bless you.